In this video, I'm going to teach you how to open Monzo account in UK. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to start the process of signing up and open an account on Monzo. So I'm going to teach you how to do this through the website. Keep in mind that you will have to finish this process through your smartphone, but you can start it to the Monzo website. So if you are in the UK, go to monzo.com, and on this page, make sure to choose between personal or business. I'm going to select personal because I assume most people just want an account for themselves. In here, you will find the option to sign up. If you hover over personal, you will also see additional options. So if I go back and hover over personal, they will have a bunch of categories: Why Monzo, savings accounts, investments and pensions, credit cards, and so on. You can click on any of these and compare their accounts. So they will have personal, joint, under 16s, and then 16 to 17s. And you can see all of the current accounts as well. When you click on any of these, you will also see the option to open an account, and then it redirects you into the sign up page. What you have to do here is enter an email address. So you can go ahead and enter your email, and what they are going to do is email you with the information, plus this will be the email that you will use to reply. So as you can see, they give you a QR code, and you must scan this with your smartphone, or you can open the Play Store or the App Store and download Monzo through there. So when you go through this, they will ask you for your email again. After you input it, you will have to list a bunch of personal information. Now, sadly, for a video of this length and this nature, I cannot show you all of that here, because it is going to contain a lot of personal information, and because it can take a while. You have to go through all of that sensitive information on your own, confirm that everything is good to go, and if everything looks fine and is valid, your application will be approved and you will be able to use the Monzo app to manage your account. I hope I was able to help you on how to open Monzo account in the UK. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.